Hey guys, what's up? I just wanted to share with you some of the trigger objects that we're working on for this upcoming investigation at the jail, which is going to be the old Licking County Jail in Newark, Ohio. We found out that there's a juvenile section and a ladies section there at the jail as well. So we got a couple ideas here. One of the ideas is what I'm about to show you. So I'm doing some 3D printing, and I'm doing some electronic work and stuff. I got parts coming in. Hopefully they make it here in time. If not, we got other ideas for this. But let me turn you around. I'll show you what I'm talking about. Okay, so here is just your basic box here that I 3D printed here. I've got some dominoes. I've got a 3D printed train and a ball and a cup. So these were toys that were available to children back then. We also have bought a what is this? Jacks. You know, like I don't know. You know what the jack and balls or whatever they call it. I can't remember. But anyway, we got all that stuff here. We're going to kind of put it on there. The idea is if the parts come in, I have a couple lights that I want to put in here, and I don't want to do any sound or anything with this. Just something that'll light up if something moves anything or gets close to it, disrupts the EMF field around it. Kind of work like a little bit of a trigger object. It's similar to something I got from Nightfire a while back, which I'm still working on this. I'm trying to repair it. I had a light go bad on me here, but these things are super simple. And if you don't know Nightfire, look him up on Etsy because he makes some really good stuff. Some of the stuff's pretty reasonably priced. So this is basically it's kind of like a REM pod, but not really. So if you get close to this magnetic antenna, the light will go off. It makes no sound or anything. So that's basically what I want to do here. I was going to build my own little simple little circuit here, a couple lights somewhere around here. And I originally wanted to do it with PIR. I don't think I want to do all that. I think I just want something that will work off of like a magnetic antenna or something similar to that. Just something basic, something simple. And this will be for the kids area. Now, the same kind of setup here, which I'm getting ready to print a red box. It'll look like this, and maybe a blue top or a black top or something. You know, just something different. And what it'll have stuff on there that will pertain to the ladies. And what I mean by that is stuff like, you know, mirrors, makeup, things like that. Stuff that would be available to them at the time period, or as close as we can get to it anyway. And then, of course, we have other trigger objects, you know, cards and things like that. So, yeah, it should be a lot of fun here. I'm looking forward to it. What do you guys think?